Welcome to all of you. Today we will learn about Microsoft Excel 2016. As you have learned in the previous classes, Microsoft Excel is coming under spreadsheet software. This allows to create a workbook, and you know that workbook is the collection of different worksheet, and worksheet contain different cells in which we enter data that contain rows and columns. There are different types of data entered in a worksheet, mainly numbers 0 to 9, or text, that is A to Z, like name contain alphabet, formula, or you can enter date. So shortcut to enter date is control plus shift plus semicolon. Another feature is autocomplete feature that allows you to quickly enter similar text in different cell of the same column. Excel automatically suggests the remaining character based on the text that you have already entered in previous cells. You can have a look at this side. Here data are entered as Rahul, Pinky, Nirmal, Chaya, and if we enter Rahul again, quickly complete word you will find, because this kind of word has been entered previously. Okay, so this will come as suggestion. If you wish, you can keep, otherwise you can remove the letters, whichever you want. Another one is autofill feature. As the name suggests, automatically data will appear. The autofill feature allows you to quickly fill a range of cells with a series of data without typing each value one by one. You can have a look at, if you want to generate series of numbers, what you will do, you will write first number, second number, okay, and select this cell and drag. As a result, this kind of value will get automatically, so thus you will be able to save your timing. Similarly, you don't want to type January, February, March, etc. one by one, just write Jan, first word of the month, and you will get plus sign in down right corner, like plus sign, and drag down, and as a result you will find all these names. Similarly here, if you want to copy any data, what you will do, write first word, and in down right corner you will find black plus sign, drag that pointer, as a result the data will be copied. Another one is, how will you create a custom list? What is custom list? From the name you can understand, means you can have your own list. Computer is having its own listing. Spreadsheet is having its own list. But if you want to add your own list, what will you do it? Okay. For that, you will click on File and go to Options. Under Options, you will find these are the tabs. Click on Advanced option again, under which you will find Edit. Click on that, and thus you'll find this kind of panel where you'll find the listing already stored in spreadsheet. Okay, Sunday, Monday in short form, full form, January, February, short form, full form, Sunday, Monday, etc. Or already it is given here like this. No, so if you want that your own list also should be added here, so what will you do it? You will write here. Okay, you will write here and click add it, and thus that will appear here. All right. Now, today we'll see practically how to do it all this. Look at here. So let us check how to enter data first. First alphabet. If you want to enter any name, what do you say? A, B, C I am entering here. What do you see? It is appearing left side in the cell. Similarly, if you want to enter any number, what happens? Numbers are appearing right side in the cell. Then, if you want to display any date, so shortcut key we have learned control, shift and semicolon, and thus date is appearing. Okay. Now, I'm going to write names like Pinky, Rahul, again Pinky. As I am writing P, automatically suggestions are coming. So thus you can save your time. If you want same name again, no need to type. It will give you from the dictionary or from the memory quickly. Alright. Now, how will you generate the listing? Like 1, 2, 3 if you wish. Right? 1, 2, okay, 3. Three numbers we are writing here. Select like this and you will get dark percent. Drag this towards down and see automatically numbers are getting generated. Similarly, if you want January, February, you don't want to waste your time, January, just type and drag plus sign down. Thus you can find name of months are coming automatically. Similarly, Sunday, Monday, just I'm writing first word sun and drag down. Thus it is appearing. All the days name are appearing here. Now question is, can you create your own listing? Yes, as we have seen, go to file, option, and here advanced. Under advanced you have scroll down and you'll find edit list, edit custom list. Click on this and you will write here like Holi, comma, Diwali, comma, Xmas, comma, Eid, etc. Okay, so what we'll do it after enter here, click add. Okay, press OK now and OK here. Now you write first word of the list that you have entered, say Holi, and drag dark plus symbol like this, and as a result whatever names we have entered into the listing that are appearing here. Okay, so these are the things, something new you have learned today. Review video once again and learn. Have a nice time.